Hey, hello everyone. So yes, I'm back finally after all those years. New project, just got a boat and got it for very cheap, but it needs some work. So I'm gonna try to make a few videos about the work I'm doing on the engine and other stuff. So hope you enjoy it. Okay, so I've been struggling with my VHF and a new GPS antenna that I bought. I'm gonna show you. Let me green. Oh, here we go. So this is a standard Horizon. This is a GX1400, and it does not come with a GPS. So I know standard Horizon. They have the SCU GPS antenna that say it was compatible. So I had to. I was able to run the wire pretty easily coming in that corner, and then I cut the wire. There is 5 colors. You can see there is a blue, a brown, a green. There is a black and a red. So black is ground that goes to your battery. Red is your plus 12 volt. The green is not used. And on the other side, on the VHF receiver, you have a white, brown, which is way here, it's brown, the white. You have a yellow and a green. So the GPS signal coming from the antenna, the positive signal, is the brown. So coming from the white wire here, which is the GPS antenna, the brown is the GPS feeding. So I tried several configuration anyway, because on the manual of the SCU-31, the antenna, they're telling you that the brown is the GPS out plus, but they don't tell you which one is the GPS minus or ground or whatever. So I started by putting that on the input GPS here on the VHF, and then I put the green that come from the VHF to the blue coming from the antenna, and then I had to go. See, it takes a little time here, but oh, here we go, it's connected now. And if you go in the menu, they are telling you that you go in the setup, not the GPS, but the setup here. You select, and then you go to GPS, and you go to baud rate or enemy. Hold on, which one was it? Baud rate. I am on 3800, and enemy out, enemy A out. That's what also I selected. RMC on, and I don't know if it's for the input. Obviously it's out, so maybe it's just from the VHF going somewhere, but they do tell you on the manual that RMC is preferred, so that's why I turned it on. It doesn't hurt, I guess, and when I did all of that, it started working. So anyway, I know it's kind of a pain, but right now I'm pretty happy, because if I select that, I should have my GPS location and the local time. And the reason I wanted to install a GPS antenna is because those new VHF come with a signal distress button that you can push, and it will send your GPS coordinate to the Coast Guard or whoever. And if you don't install, or if you don't have those coordinates, your VHF is gonna beep every 10 minutes, reminding you to enter the coordinate. So, and you also need a MMSI number, which is your identification for your boat. So you have to apply online. It cost me $25 to get that number through Boat US, I believe. And then you can even enter that 9-digit number into the VHF. And then even after entering that 9-digit number, MMSI, the VHF was still beeping every 10 minutes, which is annoying because it's reminding you to enter the GPS coordinate. So by adding the GPS, I don't have that beeping anymore. Everything works, and I have the right coordinate. So that was the reason of adding that GPS antenna. Hope you like it. There is more video coming about that boat, especially the engine, lower unit, and other stuff. Hope you like it, and see you in the next video. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. That will help the channel. Really appreciate it, and see you in the next video.